In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy an Ethereum put option on Deribit to hedge your portfolio. To begin, click on Options from the top navigation menu. Once you're in the Options section, switch the underlying asset from BTC to ETH. This will display the Ethereum options chain, where you can choose the contract that matches the protection you want for your portfolio. Next, look at the horizontal timeline across the top of the options chain. This is where you select the expiration date for your option. Choose an expiry that covers the period you want to protect your portfolio. For example, if you want protection for about 2 months, select an expiration that is roughly 60 days away. Keep in mind that options with longer expiration dates require a higher premium but provide a longer period of protection. Now move to the options chain. The layout is divided into 3 sections. Calls are displayed on the left, strike prices are listed in the center, and puts are shown on the right. Scroll through the strike prices in the center until you find the level you want to use for your hedge. If you want immediate and broader protection, choose a strike price that is close to the current market price. If you only want protection against a major market decline while paying a lower premium, choose a strike price that is around 15 to 20% below the current market price. Once you've found the strike price you want, move to the right side of that same row. Click the active bid or ask price to open the order entry ticket for the put option. In the order ticket, set the order type to limit. Enter the premium you're willing to pay per contract in the price field. Options on Deribit are priced in fractions of cryptocurrency. If you want to use the current asking price, you can click Best Ask to fill that value automatically. Next, enter the quantity based on how much of your portfolio you want to hedge. On Deribit, 1 contract represents exactly 1 ETH of underlying exposure. If you hold 10 ETH and want to fully hedge your position, enter a quantity of 10 put contracts. If you want your order to act as a maker order, you can check the post-only option before submitting the trade. Before placing the order, review the total margin or premium required field. This shows the exact amount of ETH that will be deducted from your account to purchase the put option. This amount is also the maximum financial risk for the trade. When everything looks correct, click the red buy button. In the confirmation window, make sure the contract is a put, verify the selected strike price, and confirm the expiration date. Then confirm the order. After the order is filled, the position will appear in the Positions tab. If the price of Ethereum falls below your strike price, the value of your put option increases. You can sell the option back to the market for a profit to help offset losses on your portfolio, or allow it to expire in the money and receive the cash settlement difference. Thank you for watching.